What is the indexation benefit in debt funds? How will the returns of debt funds be without indexation benefit? To help you get more clarity on indexation benefit and debt funds, we have a chartered accountant specialist, Mr. Gopal Krishnaraju, with us. Gopal, the stage is all yours.
Now, what happened to this debt funds? I'll just give you a logic. Now, all these years, debt funds were taxed as long-term capital gains. I repeat, debt funds were taxed as long-term capital gains, and that is after 36 months. So now please look at this. So till 31st March, so you purchased in 14-15 and you redeem at 21-22, 18 lakhs. So you can index it, and then on indexation, it is 13 lakhs. So 18 minus 13 lakhs is somewhat around 5 lakhs and odd. On that, 20% is 95,000. So this is the tax calculation so far. Now that is gone. So that 36 months concept is gone now. So debt fund and your fixed deposit is now both same. Now, what is fixed deposit? You invest in FD, you get interest. Is it income? And this interest is accrued. But the only difference between fixed deposit and debt fund is, in debt fund, only when you exit at the time taxable. So you can defer till the exit. Okay. So you invest and you exit 3 years later, 4 years later, 5 years later, 2 years later. So only when you exit, whatever is the gain, that is taxable. But in fixed deposit, interest accrued. You need not withdraw. Whatever interest is accumulated, that is taxable. You have to offer for income from other sources. But from today, so you buy and you sell at 18, the difference 18 lakhs, you have to pay at 30, normal slab rate, whatever slab rate you are. Of course, if only this 8 lakhs is your income and you opt for your default regime, what is your regime? Current regime is what? Your 3 lakhs to 6 lakhs, 6 lakhs to 9 lakhs. So that slab rate is only applicable. Okay. So otherwise, your tax on long-term capital gain 30%, presuming that you are in 30% bracket. Maybe if you have only this 8 lakhs as your income, then income is less, because up to 3 to 6 lakhs, up to what do you have this 15,000 up to 6 lakhs, from 6 lakh to 8 lakhs, 2 lakhs will be taxed at that 10%. So that is how the slab rates will be applicable. So this 30% is presuming that you have other income and you are in 30% bracket. Okay, maybe above 15 lakhs. So quite a major change they have brought. I repeat, quite a major change. So that means from today, whatever debt funds that has been invested, okay, so the tax liability will be only. Now you need to understand one thing. I have already invested. So this 1st April 2023 is applicable only for investment made from today. I have already made an investment yesterday. I have already made an investment day before yesterday. I already made an investment last year. Now you sell this year. Okay, whether I will get the indexation benefit? Yes. Whether the long-term capital gains 20% applicable after you sell in 36 months? Yes. So please understand 2 points. Number one, for those debt funds which you have invested till yesterday, the old law will apply. That means you sell before 36 months, it is short term. You sell after 36 months, it is long term. After 36 months, indexation benefit available. And the tax rate will be 20%. But if you invest from today, everything will be short term only. Whether you sell immediately, you sell after 1 year, you sell after 2 years, no indexation benefit, the gain will be taxed. That's all. 112A tax rate not applicable. Normal slab rate only applicable. So you need to be very clear with respect to these two distinctions. So therefore, from today, the debt fund is a different avatar.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.